I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make valerian root tea. First, gather your ingredients: dried valerian root, fresh water, and a tea strainer or infuser. Valerian root is known for its calming properties, making it a popular choice for evening relaxation. We'll cover the simple steps to brew a soothing cup, ensuring you get the most benefit from this natural herb. Let's get started with preparing the root. Now let's prepare the valerian root. For a single serving, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried valerian root. If you're using prepackaged tea bags, simply grab one. It's important not to exceed about 3 grams of root per serving to avoid potential side effects. This measurement ensures a balanced and effective brew. Next, we'll move on to the brewing process itself. To brew your tea, heat about 8 ounces of fresh water until it's just below a rolling boil. Then, pour the hot water directly over your measured valerian root in a mug. Allow the tea to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. A longer steeping time will result in a stronger flavor and potentially more potent effects. Once steeped, remove the root using a strainer. Your valerian root tea is now ready to enjoy. It's best consumed warm, approximately 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep, to allow its calming effects to take hold. Remember to store any remaining dried valerian root in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. We hope you found this guide helpful for making your own soothing valerian root tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.